Hey, it's me, Dr. Trish Leigh. Happy Monday. This week on the podcast that's coming out on Wednesday, we are talking about be happy to quit porn and to heal your brain from erectile dysfunction. So make sure you catch that video on Wednesday, and it's the podcast, so it's available anywhere podcasts are streamed. True story. When I was not even legal to drive, I borrowed, in quotes, my brother's 1978 Chevy Malibu. Mind you, this was in like 1990. I borrowed my brother's 1978 Chevy Malibu in the evening. My parents must have been out. And I picked up my friends. And we were driving around with the tunes blasting. Don't worry, be happy. You remember that song? Don't worry, be happy. Cranking it. Now, if you are underage, I do not recommend snagging your older brother's car and joyriding. And mom and dad, if you ever see this video, I'm sorry about that because you still don't know about it. And I was thinking about it for this week is that, you know what? There's a lot of merit in that. Being happy is the solution to quitting porn. And on this week's podcast, I outline it for you. So make sure you join me then and stay motivated to get porn out of your life, because if you have erectile dysfunction, it's likely the cause. If you have relationship issues, it's probably the cause. And if you just want a life that's on purpose in your work, your relationships, and your hobbies, it's the solution for personal transformation. So join me on the podcast Wednesday, and I'll see you there. Don't forget, control your brain or it'll control you.